Hello dear fans. Where are nutrients carried away by the blood? The body in the process of life experiences a constant need for nutrients. Various foods are converted into amino acids, monosugar, glycine and fatty acids during digestion. These simple substances are absorbed and carried by the blood throughout the body. Normal everyday food, rough, tasty, wholesome, exotic, goes through preparatory processing before becoming nutrients. The route of passage and gradual transformation of food is called the gastrointestinal tract, and it includes the oral cavity, where the food is shredded, mixed with saliva and turned into a food lump. Through the esophagus, with its many glands of its own, food enters the stomach. The stomach lining contains glands that produce mucus, enzymes, and hydrochloric acid. Food processed by gastric juice enters the small intestine. After passing the necessary physical and chemical processing in the gastrointestinal tract, nutrients in the form of simplest molecules are absorbed through the intestinal mucosa. Then the blood transfers them to the cells of various tissues. The metabolic process is constantly going on in the cells of the body. Or metabolism. This is a set of various chemical reactions that take place in a living organism for its functioning and growth. Metabolism is divided into two stages: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the process of degradation of complex organic substances to simpler ones. Anabolism is a process by which the basic substances of our body are synthesized: proteins, sugars, lipids, nucleic acids. In this case, the body spends a certain amount of energy. The exchange of substances is carried out between the tissue of the cell and the intercellular fluid. The constancy of the composition of the intercellular fluid is precisely maintained by the blood flow. In the process of blood circulation, during the passage through the walls of the capillaries, the blood plasma is renewed 40 times, exchanging with interstitial fluid. Both anabolism and catabolism are closely interrelated in time and space and are fundamentally the same in all types of microorganisms, plants, and animals. Thanks for watching.